You and Scott have been at work all morning on this severe weather.
Yeah, I'm glad to have him here because it's we need as many people as we can to tell each other, what's going on. So the latest severe thunderstorm warning was allowed to expire. That said, there's still some really big storms out there and some hail, high wind, and some really wicked lightning. So let's go right to it, show you what's going on. It is stormy from time to time today, and temperatures in the 80s, but boy, that temperature at Lambert knocked down to about 68 degrees. And you can see there at the arch, the wind is still with us in downtown, lightning and also heavy rain. South-southwest wind at 14, but we have seen gusts at Hazelwood to 48 miles an hour and Chesterfield to 57, 58 miles an hour. So within those storms, you can get some really strong wind gusts. Right now at St. Charles, it is calming down quite a bit. It looks pretty good there. That second wave is expected later this afternoon and into the evening, and mainly Interstate 70 right there southward is the better chance of seeing some severe weather. But look at Edwardsville. Boy, it is stormy. The camera's shaking, 65 degrees. And this is where we might actually have a little bit of hail mixing in there. They did not extend that severe thunderstorm warning, but boy, you could just sit and watch that, how strong the storms are as people are still driving through here. Again, you want to stay inside and away from windows when these storms are nearby. And this lightning has been really intense and frequent, and it's all over the Metro East through downtown St. Louis. Look at those lightning strikes all the way to northern Monroe County and even around Arnold still. Let's zoom in a little bit more from St. Louis City, Granite City, Cahokia Heights, where we've had hail, Belleville, Caseyville. It looks like also all the way up 64 and 255 and up 55 there, even 40, getting extremely heavy rain. And then let's just put the hail on here where you see the purples and the blues. Caseyville, just northeast of there, still could see some nickel-sized quarter-inch hail, although that severe thunderstorm warning was allowed to expire. And then you see pockets of hail, just one east of Melville and then just northeast of Belleville. So watching that huge cluster of storms back behind it, things are weakening quite a bit. Stabilizing is what we say behind that first cluster of severe storms that we had. And then we go back to southwest Missouri. Here is this spin that we're watching. So that might provide us, again, with enough lift to cause some more shower and thunderstorm activity that could be severe. So we'll go through this futurecast and show you about really late this afternoon. I-70 southward is really the focus of seeing that chance of more hail, high wind, and we really can't rule out a chance of tornadoes until early evening. So we'll be watching that all the way through the day. All right, 7-day forecast to wrap it up here. Temperatures in the 80s today, about 90 tomorrow. Now, we are going to be dry tonight. It looks dry tomorrow, but overnight storms again Friday into Saturday, and then another wave of showers and storms Saturday, both in which could be severe. But by Sunday, Kay, we are very nice, partly sunny and about 70.
All right, thank you, Jim.